Okay, so this is an ocean front room at the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. To the right, we've got the bathroom, so it's pretty open air. There's a jacuzzi tub there and walk-in shower with a couple of different shower head options and a nice little bench, which is great for ladies shaving our legs. And then you've got a little toiletry kit, which is all sanitized. So we've got shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and soap. And that's good soap, I'll tell you that much. And then here we've got the toilet, also everything completely cleaned. Nice big towels, oh, they're soft. And the dual vanity, along with a vanity mirror. And in here we've got all kinds of stuff. So vanity kit, shower cap, shaving kit, mending kit, mint, mouthwash I'm guessing, body lotion, toothbrush, cleansing bar, lots of face cloths, scale down below. And as we can see, this is quite open, but there is a sliding door there for privacy and also one here for privacy. Oh, that's a bit like a gym workout, but it'll do. And then in the closet, the first one, we've got a proper iron and ironing board. The second one, we've got some extra storage space, slippers, hangers, and robes. And then in the final one, we've got more storage space and a safe and a stepping stool. Not sure what that's for. Okay, so this is the room. And we'll go into more detail on that, but first let's look at the Refreshment Center. So we've got coffee, water. The wine is once per stay, so that won't be replaced. But in the mini bar, everything in here will be replaced on a daily basis. So we've got some funky drinks there. Modelo, Perrier. And then we have some snacks, also replaced daily. Oh, lemon peanuts, those look yummy. Okay, so we've got, again, more storage area here. So quite a few drawers, I really like that. We've got a fancy TV and plug-ins over there. Double bed, well, it's a king bed. And you can see we've got the USB ports and a couple of charger power outlets right beside the bed, as well as in the clock radio. And then same thing on this side, as well as a little sanitary kit, a pen inside the wrapping, and oh yeah, nice sheets and pretty firm bed, which I personally quite like. Seating area, we'll go back to wide view, there we go. We do have a fan up above, and the air conditioning is pretty strong. It feels like it's just what the doctor ordered for 30-degree odd heat, or 70 odd if you're in Fahrenheit. And a nice, really large balcony, sitting area. As I said, this is ocean front. So this is the view. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Just turn around so you get a different perspective on the room. So there you go. Ocean front room.